Harar Mahadev. Welcome to our brand new channel, MJSK I Talk, and I'm your host, Shivam. Our intent is to bring to you information about revolutionary products. Today we have a beautiful revolutionary product to unbox, and I will give you my first impressions on that. But before we get into that, we would love for you to subscribe our channel, hit that bell icon so that you are the first to get the updates on our latest videos. Do like our channel and share it as much with your friends and family. Spread the word. Today we are discussing and unboxing about a beautiful product, the Apple Watch Series 6 Nike Edition here in India. Let's begin with the unboxing. Here it is.
The Apple Watch revolutionized what a watch could traditionally do. This enables features on your wrist like never before. It's a beautiful product that shows just more than time. This is the beautiful box that I received, the aluminium Apple Watch Nike Edition. Let's go ahead and unwrap it. Apple has always paid attention in packaging the box. Good companies realize the essence of a good packaging. There you have it, the Series 6 space gray aluminum case in 44mm. Nothing in the sides, a beautiful Apple logo on the front. Let's pull open the tabs. There we go. The black case, which is different from the regular Apple Watch. The regular Apple Watch Series 6 comes in a white, but a Nike Edition comes in a beautiful black with the mesmerizing colors of the watches. You just don't want to rush through. A separate case for the watch band. There we go. Let's open the watch band first. Pull open the tab. And there we go. It shows you how to clasp the watch band onto your wrists. We get two sizes, a small and a large size to fit all wrist sizes. Let's open the box up. Designed for athletes by Apple and Nike. It's different. For the regular watch, it comes with designed by Apple in California. This is particularly for the Nike Edition. It shows the paperwork for the watch faces and how to power it on. That's the charging cable. That's the magnetic charging dock. Let's open up and see the connection type. Oh, that's a USB type A connection. The Apple ditched me on that one. It's another video's topic. We'll go ahead and see the watch itself. The Apple Watch is packed in this beautiful paper casing, if I may say. It's not leather, which appears to be a leather on a video, but it's actually a paper case. It's more of a sleeve. Let's open it up. Wow, this looks absolutely stunning and gorgeous. The shining, I love the matte black on the casing, the aluminum case. Whereas the stainless steel is more shiny, this is the aluminum case, which is beautiful. These are the speaker grills. This also doubles up as a water ejector. You have the branding, the Nike branding there. You have the ECG terminals, all the sensors at the back, shiny, the INX glass in the front. Here we have the mic in the center, the power button at the bottom. In the lower part, we can see that also acts as an app switcher, and then the digital crown, of course, the important part of the watch with the red ring is signifying the LTE version. The non-LTE version will have a black ring. This also acts as the ECG terminal for the index finger, which completes the bodily circuit. I must say that the red ring on top of this matte finish, it looks absolutely stunning. While I set up the watch, let's quickly run over the specifications of the Series 6. In addition to all the major features and the minor features of the Series 5 like fall detection, ECG, heart rate monitoring, this also comes with the U1 ultra-wideband chip, which is relatively unknown. However, we know that this chip is used for communicating between the Apple devices such as the HomePod Mini and the future Apple devices, including the tile tracking, which is supposedly to be launched later this year or early next year sometime. It comes with a better S6, a faster S6 chip than the Series 5, which used an S5. However, the SE model still runs on the S5 chip. The Series 6 comes with a family setup option, which is also common to the SE. It comes with a 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection, always on altimeter, sleep tracking, solo loop, the braided solo loop. However, one of the key features this time is the blood oxygen sensor and app, especially in these times of COVID-19 where it's important to track your oxygen levels. This watch does the job right from your wrist. All in all, this watch is loaded with features. Of course, as I said, apart from showing you the time, this watch can do a lot more. So that is it. We will be reviewing the watch and getting back to you again. However, let us know in the comment section, which watch are you planning to buy, or have you already purchased one, and what is your experience? If you have some questions, do let us know in the comment section and we'll be glad to answer.
There you had it. You saw beautiful unpacking of the Apple Watch Series 6 44mm in aluminium, the Nike edition. We explained to you what is so different about the Nike edition from the standard Apple Watch. We hope you enjoyed the video, the unboxing experience and the first impressions. We'll review the watch and give you a detailed review about the watch. But on the first hand, I love this watch. It is simply outstanding piece of tech right here on our wrists. Who would have thought a couple of years back that you could take and make a call from your wrist without needing your phone with you? Well, we'll get back to you with a detailed review. Signing off for now. Har Har Mahadev.